Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. So today we are cleaning my filthy car. It has been a while because it was pretty poor weather here in Belgium. It was raining a lot, but today we have good weather, so hallelujah for it. We're going to clean the car and I will show you guys my process. I will talk over the video and show you my washing process step by step. So I'm always starting off with the rims first. So in this case I used Brake Buster from P&S and I just sprayed it all over the rims, but you can see the trigger keep the clogging, or how do you say it in English. So it didn't work as intended and it took a bit longer, but okay, doesn't really matter. So I let it sit for a few minutes and then I took my brush to get between the little tight areas of the rim. With these wheels I always use just a brush. It will do the job perfectly and it makes my life a lot easier. So that's what I did here. So I sprayed the rims a few times with a high pressure washer, but not on the inside. And you can see there is a lot of dirt coming out of those wheel barrels, so that's why it is very important to clean them as a regular. So just 80 milliliters of soap, some hot water, and then shake and bake, baby. So I let the snow foam sit for a few minutes, and after that I rinsed it off with a high pressure washer to make sure all the dirt is gone. And yeah, the snow foam makes sure that a lot of the dirt is removed before I touch the paint with a wash mitt. So the snow foam did its job perfectly in this case. And then of course when the snow foam is removed, I just go over the car with a wash mitt and with the 2 bucket system to make sure I always have clean water, and then I just go always from top to bottom and so on for the whole car. And then after that I just rinse the car again to make sure all the soap is removed. Then the last step will be the detail spray. I just spray it on the car and go over it with a towel, in this case a Geon towel, to make sure all the water residue is removed, that I don't have water spotting on the paint of course. I also have a new angle with my camera, so let me know what you guys think of it. It will be a bit further into the video, but you guys will see it if you still stay watching, so I hope you guys do. Of course also in this video all the door jambs etc are cleaned, but I didn't film that. But you can sleep tight tonight, it is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button of course, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.